Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, November the 10th, 2021. We have here three regular Sudokus, and one of them I have already solved with the killer Sudoku, and this one I have just solved, the binary. And now it's time for the medium Sudoku. And I've told you um, not so good news because there are a lot of infected people with corona and more than 12k. Yes, more than 12k, so it's increasing. Anyway, let me start with this puzzle number 3662. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be 2 stars. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 and a 6 in this big square, so no 5 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, so 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. Yeah, 1 and a 2 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, last column. 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 place for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright. Then. We have a 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then. Yeah. The 8 in this first row. 8 in the third row. Oh, no. Let me think again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 7 and 4 we see here, 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. So, now, let me see. Yeah. 4, 6. Come on. It's taking too long. 3, 7, 3, 6. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 3, 6, and 7. Look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. So we have a 3 in the third column. 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, we see here, 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There, 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this second column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. 6, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. We see here 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are not used. No, now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Alright. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 3. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. We have a 4 and a 7 in this row. The second row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 4 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. Okay. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see then 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the ones are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 6. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the row below, the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. Look, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column... Oh, we already have 8 there. Okay. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku Medium. Well, faster than the 15 to 20 minutes. So is this really a 2 stars? No, I think it's rather a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and we'll see you later with the third regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye bye for now.